Okay guys, I had this setup all through the night, and of course this setup actually gave me lots of profits. Okay, it started from here, and of course this is where I put my TP. Okay, and of course you will be shocked with the trading result I got this morning. Okay, so let me show you the trading result I got. Okay, this is it guys. You can see it was a simple order, and of course it's on Boom 1000, and I use a very small lot size. Okay, I use 0.5 lot size for it, and of course it went through the night, throughout the night, and of course I got $50 profits closed for me already because I set my TP using the same strategy which I've been using to explain to you in my videos, and of course I will shed more light to it. If you want to be making money like this on daily basis, then definitely you need to watch this video to the end. Okay, but before I go fully into it, I would like you guys to know that this particular training section is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you love any content of mine, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So this is how I came about the order. Okay, it all started uh, from here, from this support zone yesterday. It was on a buy order throughout yesterday, and when it got to this resistance zone, I noticed that it will not break out above it when I saw the downtrend signal being given around here. Okay, so I decided to come in the night. So I set my order in the night. I set my order somewhere here, somewhere around here in the night. Okay, and I put my stop loss somewhere here. Okay, I put my stop loss somewhere here, and this is where I dropped my TP because in the night I will be sleeping, so I won't be there to monitor the trading activities. So I was unable to take it further than this. You can see the trade still went down till this level, and of course, excuse me, after the setting up, I had to I had to go back to the bed to sleep. Okay, so I woke up this morning to see my trading results in my trading activities closed for me already because it has gotten to my TP and even gone beyond the TP level. And of course guys, that gave me $50 profit right from there. So it is as beautiful as that. So guys, that is how to use the trading tool. Let me show you more. Okay, so all you just need to do is just to follow the trend. If the market is on uptrend, you follow it. If it is on downtrend, you follow it. Okay, so that is the beautiful part of it. The same thing is applicable to the what is it called, the smart indicator. Okay, so the same thing is applicable to the smart indicator. So if you have been following up with the patterns, then definitely you will definitely be in profit all the time. Okay, so that is it. You can see how both trading both activities are giving us both indicators are giving us amazing profit opportunity. Right from there, you can see this is the analysis I made, and of course got to this region, and that was where I took my TP, and of course thereafter I still went down till it got to this particular region, and right now it is starting an uptrend. Okay, so that is the beautiful part of it guys. That is the beautiful part of it. So if you are having any of this trading tool, you can always go back to it and see how you can milk the market with it, following the signals that the indicators are pushing out. Okay, and of course if you don't have, you can make use of the opportunity that is going on the Telegram right now. There is a promo going on for these two indicators. This is an opportunity for you to grab them right now. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.